Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. And this is Unité 11, leçon J. And in this lesson we'll see le prefix IR, and the good news is that it will be the last video for this chapter of prefix. Okay, so if you remember, when we're talking about prefix, actually we're talking about letters, like in that case IR, that you will add at the beginning of an existing word, and by adding these letters you will modify the meaning or the original meaning of the word. Okay, and in that case, when you will put this IR, and you will see that we're talking about words that will start with R. Okay, but then you will modify the meaning, and the meaning will be privé de or sans. Okay, privé de or sans. So let's check 3 examples, and the first one is réel. Okay, réel, and then, as I said, you just add this IR, and then after that you put your réel again, and you will get irréel. Irréel. Okay, réel, and then irréel. Régulier. So as I said, remember they start with R all the time. Régulier, and then exactly the same technique. IR, and after that you put it back. Irrégulier. Okay? Régulier, then irrégulier. And the last one. Résistible. Résistible, and exactly the same way. IR, and you put it back. Irrésistible. Irrésistible. So, résistible, irrésistible. And that's it. And that's it. If you want more videos, then you know probably the channel. It's on youtube.com/imagier. Please like me on Facebook. I will be so happy. facebook.com/imagier.net. And then more material can be found here. www.imagier.net. That's it. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir et à bientôt.